In the previous video, we discussed about the addition and subtraction of rational numbers. Today, we will discuss about the multiplication of rational numbers. Clear? So, you are familiar with the term multiplication. Multiplication of rational numbers. Clear? So let's start with the sum. Like first is 5 by 6 into minus 3 by 4. So how to solve this one? Means we have to multiply. Which sign is it? Multiplication sign. So we will write 5 by 6, then into minus 3 into, and with 6 we will write what? 6 into 4. Okay. So what we will get here? 5 into minus 3 is equal to minus 15, and 6 into 4 is equal to what? Yes, 24. And this number means 15 and 24 is divisible by one number, which is that number 3. Yes. So we can write minus 3 5s are 15 and 3 8s are 24. Clear? Now take another example, like minus 3 by 8 into 3. Clear? So into 3 means what? 3 is written as a numerator. So in denominator what you can do? You can put 1. So minus 3 by 8 into 3 by 1. Clear? Then minus 3 into 3 by 8 into 1. And so minus 9 by 8 is the answer. Clear? Now take. Now let's solve another one. Minus 36 by 7 into 28 by minus 9. Clear? So now minus 36 into 28 by 7 into minus 9. Write like this. Clear? This is 7. So 7 into minus 9. Now in numerator minus sign is there, and the denominator also minus sign is there. So minus and minus cancel. Now we can cut also. Clear? You know that 28 is divisible by 7. How many times? 4 times. 36 is divisible by 9. How many times? 4 times. So the answer is what? 4 into 4, that is 16. Clear? Now take let's solve another one, like minus 8 by 7 into 14 by 5. Okay. So again write it like this, minus 8 into 14 by 7 into 5. So can we divide any number? Yes, 14 is divisible by 7. How many times? 2 times. Now no number is divisible by any number present here. So minus 8 into 2, minus 16 by 5. Here numerator is what? Less than, numerator is greater than the denominator. Means we can say that the denominator is what? Denominator is less than the numerator. So we can change in the mixed fraction. So when we will change it in the mixed fraction, what answer we will get? We will get minus 5 3s are 15, 1 remainder, and then 5. So minus 3 1 by 5 answer. Okay. Now next 4 by 9 into minus 3. So how we can solve it? 4 by 9. Then 4 into minus 3, 9 into 1. Is any number divisible? Yes, 9 is divisible by 3. Clear? So how many times? 3 times. 3 3s are 9. So what answer we can write? Minus 4 by 3. Again 3 1s are minus, 3 1s are 3, 1 remainder, and then 4. So minus 1 by 4 is the answer. Now next let's do minus 24 into minus 5 by 8. How we can solve this one? again minus 24. Denominator, no number is written here. Clear? So what we can write? 1. So minus 24 into 5 by 1 into 8. Now, is there any number divisible? Yes, 24 is divisible by 8. So how many times? 3 times. 3. Now, this minus and minus is what? Plus. Minus into minus plus. Clear? So we can write plus 5 3s are 15 by 1. Means the answer is what? 15. 15 is the answer. Now, next, one more example, like minus 4 by 9 into 13 by minus 20. Clear? Again, write like this, minus 4 into 13 divided by 9 into minus 20. Again, numerator, minus sign is there. In denominator also minus sign is there. So what we can do? We can cut the sign. Clear? Then is any number divisible by any number? Yes. Which one? 20. 20 is divisible by 4. So how many times? 5 times. 4 5s are 20. Is there any number? Now no number. So what we can write here? 13 by what? 45. Clear? Now next, minus 3 by 2 into 4 by 5. Clear? And then plus, again inside the bracket, 9 by 5 into minus 10 by 3. Again close the bracket, minus, open the bracket, 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. Okay, now solve it. So how we can solve it? Let's do this in the new page. Clear? Always in maths, always you try to do the same sum in the same page. You will not get any confusion. You will not make any mistake, because when you do half sum in one page and half sum in another page, then while copying the numbers you can make a mistake. So it's better always do one complete question in one page. Clear? As I am doing here. So now this is the question. Solve it here. What? How will solve this question? Minus 3. So first we do the bracket work. So first let's solve the bracket work. Okay. Let's solve the bracket work first. So minus 3 into 4 by 2 into 5. Then plus 9 into minus 10 by 5 into 3. Then bracket close, bracket open, 1 into 3 by 2 into 4. Now close the bracket. Okay. Now see what number we can, which number is divisible by which number. So here 2 means with 2 we can cut 4, or we can say 4 is divisible by 2. So how many times? 2 2s are 4. So here we can write minus 6 by 5. Again plus sign here, minus 10 and 9 is here. Which number is divisible? So 9 is divisible by 3. How many times? 3 times. And 10 is also divisible by 5. How many times? 2 times. 5 2s are 10. And minus sign is here. Remember, minus sign is here. Be careful. When you are handling with the minus sign, you have to be little bit careful. Clear? So here what you will write? Minus 3 2s are 6. In denominator nothing is here, so you can write 1. Then again minus. Now solve it here. Is there any number divisible by any number? No. Then simply we can write 3 by 2 4s are 8. Okay? Clear? Now what we can do again? You have done the addition of a rational number. So we will find out the LCM. So LCM, what you will get here? 40. Clear? LCM you will get 40. Now make all the denominators what? 40. So how you will make? Yes. So right here you know the process. Minus 6 by 5. With 5 which number you will multiply? So that you get 40. Then 8. Then in numerator also you write 8. Clear? Then plus minus 6 into what, which number, so that you get 40. Which number you will get here? No, means minus 6 by 1. So with 1, which number you will multiply so that you get 40? You will multiply with 40. So in numerator also you will multiply 40. Then again 3 by 8. With 8, which number you will multiply? 5. Here also with the numerator you multiply 5. Clear? No. Clear to all of you? Now here, next step. Don't put equal to sign here because very less space is left here. So do the next step in the next line. Means with the new line you started. Now, what you will get here? Minus 6 into 8. Minus 48 by 40. Then plus and minus, minus. So what we can write here? 240 by 40. Then what we can write here? Minus 15 by 40. Clear? Then what here? All the denominators are same here. So here you write what? 40. Then here simply minus 48 minus 240 minus 15. Now you know the addition and subtraction. So what? All the numbers are with the minus sign. So what you will do? You will add all the numbers. Clear? And you will put the minus sign. So when you will add all the numbers, you will get what? 303. So minus 303 by 40. And this is your answer. Clear? I hope it is clear to you. Clear? So do the work neatly. Each steps, each number should be very clear. And always you do the step. You start the step with the new line. Don't continue new step in the previous line only. So always new step, you start with the new line. Then you will not get any mistake. And be careful when you handle the minus sign. Clear? Now, one word problem is here. Clear? So word problem is a cyclist. I am writing question here. Or let's start with the new page, because this much place is not enough to do the complete work. Clear? Word problem, it takes it takes much space also, so this is not enough. So it's better to start with the new page. Clear? So a question is like, if I'll write question here and I'll write the process here, then every time I have to turn the page, and this can create a problem. So it's better start with the new page. So the question is, a cyclist moves with a speed of 2 by 5 kilometer per hour. How much distance will he cover in 1/3 hours? Clear? This is the question. So a cyclist moves with a speed of this. Means what is the speed? So what is given, first you write. Clear? So speed is given. What is the speed? 2 by 5 kilometer per hour. Like this we can write. Okay. Now simplify this one. You will get 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 2, 37 by 5 kilometer per hour. Clear? Now, how much distance will he cover in 1/3 hours? Means 1/3 hours is what? Time. So time is given here. Right? Time is equal to 1/3 hours. Clear? Now simplify it. What you will get here? 7 by 3 hours. Okay. Now speed is given, time is given. How much distance? You have to find what? Distance. So distance is equal to what? Formula we use, speed into time. What is speed here? 37 by 5. What is time here? 7 by 3. Clear? So now when you multiply, what you will get? 37 into 7 by 5 into 3. So you get what? You get 259 by 15 kilometer. Clear? And when you will simplify, when you will change in the mixed fraction, because denominator is less than the numerator. So whenever denominator is less than the numerator, you can change in the mixed fraction. But when denominator is more than the numerator, you cannot change in the mixed fraction. Clear? So when you change it in the mixed fraction, you will get 17.4 by 15 kilometer. And this is the answer. So I hope all the process, all the steps must be clear to you. Clear? If you find any problem, you please see the video again and again. I hope you will get all your answers, and you will be able to solve the questions related to the multiplication of a rational number. So have a nice day. Goodbye.